Hi, I'm Emmy, and welcome to High Voltage. It's certainly great to be back with another exciting, fun-filled show. So fly a kite. Staff at the Leeward, Oahu District Office joined forces to show us how math can be fun. Kite making dates back centuries to ancient China.
Okay, this is an insect kite and it hums. It has a hummer in the back of the kite. And in the olden days back in China, they used these hummers to scare off the enemies during the war.
Maki Makika Ho'opili'ia, sponsored by the Leeward District Office, invited students and parents to experience the joy of creating and flying their own kites.
I use kites to teach math and physics because of the applications involved. Instead of using mathematics as just a textbook example, instead of measuring lines in the textbook, I want them to use kite making as like an application. Well, I think kite flying is like, it's the stepping stone of maybe future engineers because they study such concepts as aerodynamics and other engineering type of skills.
And what do Kelvin students think?
Well, his class is pretty fun. He talks about the kites all the time. Yeah, I mean, before this, I thought it was just for like more little kids stuff. No, but now like it's kind of fun.
This is my math teacher. He got me into this contest. He's the guy that was doing this whole thing. Good look, you know?